Alright, some cute kids on the streets of Kyoto. Let's see, how can you work the scene? Just keep walking, getting close. Konnichiwa!
こんにちは。
元気ですか?
元気です。
どこ出身ですか? 京都。お名前は何ですか? お名前は何ですか? Okay, bye bye. Yeah, so one practical tip I'd have is when you're traveling, realize that you're not being some sort of creep or whatever. That, yeah, like you see kids on the street. I mean, I freaking love photographing kids because kids are so pure, they're so innocent, and they don't have any preconceived notions. And unfortunately, a lot of people are afraid to photograph children because they're afraid of being a pedophile, blah, blah. My suggestion is when you want to photograph kids on the streets, just wave at them, say hello, and don't be creepy about it, because a lot of the times trying to be more stealth and sneaking a shot will actually make you look way creepier. So my practical suggestion is you see kids on the street, chat with them, interact with them, and put a smile on your face.